Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special with 19,084 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt mufflers, 12-inch handlebars, grips, LED turn signals, docking hardware, shift linkage, timing cover, and an aftermarket seat. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Street Glide Special puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Street Glide has a 180 to 250-mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and a wet weight of 810 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that while the voltmeter fluctuates, the bike is charging properly. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.